Hello everyone, Postman for Cisco Epic REST API episode 3. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create a tenants with the help of API Inspector. Let's open the Epic and Postman. Okay, this is the Epic dashboard, and this is the Postman. Okay, this is the dashboard for Postman. We are going to create a new, in the same collection that we made in the previous sessions, we are going to add a new request. Okay, a new request will be a post. From where we get the URL, let's go back to the Epic to see. As we did in the previous sessions, we are going to start with manual tenant adding in order to see the command that we need to put it in the Postman. So I'm going to open the show API inspector. This inspector will show me the steps that I'm going to do. Add a tenant. Once I add a tenant, it will show me some outputs. Let's say tenant 01, and we press submit. We go back to the tenant and we see that it's already here. Okay, and now we are going to search for the post. The first post is the tenant creation. Let's take it out as we said. This is the URL that we need. We will take it out and we will put it in. This is the first thing that we need. Let's replace this with the Epic variable and save this option. And then we go back to here, we see that tenant 01. We will replace this tenant 01 with a variable tenant name. Tenant name. From here, we are going to put this variable and we will put, for example, tenant 02. Let's go back to here and we press send. For sure it will not work because the authentication, first we send this to login and then we go back to the create a tenant and we press over here. Let's see what's the message saying. Here, the issue is here. We have to replace this one as well with the tenant name. I think now we will be okay. Let's do it again. Yeah, it was the issue here. It's fine. Now we go back to the Epic and we see that tenant 2 is created. Let's do one more thing. Open an Excel sheet. In case you have multiple tenants, just take this one here, paste it over here, and put the tenant name that you need, which is, let's say, tenant 04 to tenant 14, for example. Save as this one. Tenant, save, and then just come here. And the Excel sheet, let's see here. So what we are going to do is log into the Epic, create tenant 4, then again log into the Epic and create tenant 5, and so on. Okay, let's put this one here to show you in the running what is going to happen. Run, see here, it has created all the tenant in the list. Should be till tenant 4. Here a bad maybe because yeah, it's here, it works till 14. And that's all for today's session. Thank you everyone for watching.